Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite guy again. And if this is your first time seeing me, don't be shy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so we can see each other more often. All right, I won't talk too much. Today's video is about
So you will open your Facebook application, then you see this three icon at the top, this three button icon. You are going to click on that three icon. The three icon there, you click on it. Make sure you is the three icon that you click on. So this is your Facebook profile. This is everything you have posted on your Facebook. Now you see that three button beside the search bar at the right hand top. That three button beside the search bar, you are going to click on the three button. Make sure you click on that three button there. That is what we are going to work on. So this is everything on your profile, everything here. You are going to look for lock profile here. Lock profile, that's what we are going to work on today. So this dashboard contains everything you want to do on your profile. So our area of concentration today is lock profile. Nothing more than that. We are working on lock profile here today. You can see archive viewers. So we are going to work on lock profile today. Let's click on that. Click on lock profile. So we are going to, as you can see, you can click on lock your profile and profile will be locked. So you see, you locked your profile. It has been locked already. So that's how to lock your profile. It's not more than that. And if you also want to unlock it, you can also follow the same process and unlock it again. So it's not more than that. That's how we lock our profile